In this tutorial, we will learn about using default arguments in functions in Python. Default arguments are values that are set in the function definition, which are automatically assigned if the function is called without that argument. Here we have defined a function called greet that takes two arguments, name and greeting. We have set the default value of greeting to hello. When we call the function with only one argument, Python automatically assigns the default value of greeting to hello. Here we see the output of the first function call where we only passed one argument. The value of greeting was automatically set to hello. Here we see the output of the second function call where we passed two arguments. The value of greeting was set to hi. Default arguments can be useful when you want to provide a default value for a parameter that is commonly used, but can be overridden when necessary. This can help make your code more concise and easier to read. In this example, we have defined a function called calculate_total that takes three arguments, cost, tax_rate, and tip. We have set the default values of tax_rate to 0.08 and tip to 0.15. When we call the function with only one argument, Python automatically assigns the default values of tax_rate and tip. Here we see the output of the first function call where we only passed one argument. The values of tax_rate and tip were automatically set to their default values. Here we see the output of the second function call where we passed three arguments. The value of tip was set to 0.20, overriding the default value of 0.15. Default arguments can help simplify your function calls and make your code easier to read. Remember to use default arguments when you have a commonly used value that can be overridden when necessary. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!